things first, let's talk about the rules of bingo. Okay, so we're gonna have a board as you see on the screen right now, and our board is gonna have 25 blocks. So the computer will choose random blocks and reveal questions for us. These questions are from all the chapters in mathematics. Okay, so it'll be just random chapters and questions. I will give you guys 3 minutes. I'm gonna go with 3 minutes for now. 3 minutes to go through the question and do it on your own. And if you get it correctly, bear in mind, guys, you're all a team, right? We're not competing. So you can help each other in the chat, you can give each other clues. And if you guys get it correct, then I will mark it on my board that I have here in front of me that you guys have it correctly. Okay, the point of all of this is to get either 5 across, 5 going down, or 5 diagonally correct. And then we will shout bingo and you guys have won the game. Okay, the point of this whole thing is to give you guys revision, prepare you for the next grade, obviously. I mean, if you know that you know everything in here, then you're ready for grade 9, right? So it's like a confidence booster thing. You can go brag, you can get bragging rights from this, guys. Come on. So let's start, right? Okay, so this is our board. Behind every single block, there is a question. Before we start, I'm gonna put my timer up because I'm gonna give you guys exactly 3 minutes. If I see that 3 minutes is a little bit short, then maybe I'll be nice to you guys. But for now, we stick to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, okay, wait, you don't have to wait for the 3 minutes to end. If you feel like you have the question, you wanna answer it, pop your hand up. We'll tell you to unmute, tell me what the answer is, how you got it, or we help each other. Okay, guys, are we ready? Zasembo says, please explain again. Okay, the blocks are gonna turn around, okay, one at a time. As they turn around, I will start the clock and you guys will have to solve the equation or the problem behind the block. Do you understand? So this is like sort of a revision thing, but with like a fun aspect to it. And you guys have 3 minutes to do that question. Okay, so as you are getting them right, the point is to get either 5 across here or here or here or here or here, or 5 of them down, or 5 diagonally correct. And when you guys do that, see I said when, not if, when you guys get all of those right, it will be bingo and you guys have won the game. Do you understand now, Zasembo? I hope that's a little bit better. Does everyone else understand? Yes, give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Thank you for unmuting. I love it. We're off to a great start. Okay. I hope everyone has a pen and paper. Right? I hope so. Do we all have pen and papers? Yes.
We are ready, Teacher Kat. We are ready.
Awesome.
We are doing this.
Okay. First question. Teacher Yolanda. Okay, let's talk about this. Which one do you think will turn around first? I'm still betting on the snowman. I'm sticking to my snowman.
I'm gonna go with Santa Claus.
Santa. Okay, let's see who has this one. Ha! Of course, we're both wrong. It's fine. It's okay, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The 3 minutes have started. Everyone solve it on your own. If you have questions, ask questions. But I need you guys to start working on it right now. You have 3 minutes. The clock has started. Bridget said the elf. We were all wrong. I can't believe we're all terrible at this. Oh my goodness. How'd you go? Please keep yourself on mute, or we will have to restrict the option.
Masiko, so if you can hear us, you have to mute yourself, because if you don't, then you're gonna make the whole class be muted, and they will have to ask for permission to unmute themselves. Masiko. Oh, guys, okay. I think I'm gonna mute the whole class. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try and mute the whole class, and y'all will have to raise your hand for now, because it looks like we are not following the rules, my baby.
So operating, yeah. So now, if you wanna unmute, You're gonna have to raise your hand, guys. We really wanted to
Yep.
be nice, but see now. Okay, that's fine. Andre has a answer in the chat. Okay, do we all agree? Do we disagree? How does everybody else feel about it? Come on. We have a 6. The cube root of 216 is 6. Do we agree? Disagree? Come on, guys. Zasimbo, you had your hand up. What was up? Did you have a question? Theo agrees. Awesome. Everyone else, come on, guys. There's about 10, 11 of you, 12 in this class. So I expect everyone to, okay. Sishe agrees. Okay, so this one wasn't that bad, right? Lise, thank you. This is a good start. Okay, Zasimo, that's okay. Rabitwe agrees. Thank you, guys. Ampo agrees. Cool. So who is going to explain to us what this question means and how we got to 6? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Remember, we're earning bragging rights today. Okay, so who wants to give it a shot and tell us how we got to 6? In case someone is shy and they don't want to tell us how they got to 6. No? Okay, guys, what does the cube root mean? What does the cube root mean? Put it in the chat if you don't want to talk about it. What does the cube root mean? Anyone? Times 3. Okay, what times? It actually isn't times 3, but I understand what you mean. So the cube root means which number do you times by itself 3 times, right? You don't times it by 3, you times it by itself 3 times. So which number do you times by itself 3 times to get 216? And that is 6, because 6 times 6 is 36, and you multiply that by 6, we get 216. Hope everyone understands. I use my calculator. Thank you so much for the honesty, but do you understand now what it means? I think it's beneficial for us to understand what this means, right? Not just to use calculators. Awesome. There we go, Theo. What number times itself 3 times gets the number of 216? And that is 6, because if you times 6 with itself 3 times, we get 216. Great start, right? Easy peasy. Okay, I'm going to steal Yolanda's answer and say Santa Claus is next. Hope I'm right. Let's see if I'm a lucky person. Nope, I'm not. I should obviously not bet. Okay, there's our next question, guys. Your 3 minutes have already started. I hope you guys can multiply without using a calculator, but we'll see. We'll see. Someone's going to cheat me just now. I know you're all going to pop in the answer. Okay, let's go. Your 3 minutes have started. Remember, if you have the answer, just pop it in the chat. If you don't talk about it, raise your hand. Let's have fun, guys. Come on. 0,064 is Theo's answer. It's Bridget, Henry. Okay, looks like everyone agrees. Let's get a few more in there. Rabetsui. Thank you. I like this, guys. You guys are really making my day by participating. Okay. Did you guys use a calculator? Let me see if you guys used a calculator. Who didn't use a calculator? Let me say this. Who did not use a calculator? Let's see. Thank you, Matthew. Mpo, Rabetu didn't use a calculator. Awesome. Guys, it's beneficial to learn how to do these things with a calculator, because, I mean, what if you walk into a test and they say, first test, no calculators? Now you are in trouble, guys. Imagine, so unnecessary. Nah. So, I agree with you guys. The answer is 0,064. If you use the calculator, you obviously just punched it in, and that's okay. That's okay. But if you didn't, guys, let's discuss how we do this without a calculator. How do you multiply decimals without a calculator? First step is you get rid of the commas, okay? So you just take these as ordinary numbers. 16 times 4. How much is 16 times 4? So you do the whole long multiplication thing, okay, where you say 6 times 4 is 24. You carry over the 2. Then you say 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. Thank you, Theo. 16 times 4 is 64. And then you need to decide how many decimal places you have, right? To decide that, you count how many decimal places you had in the question. As in 0.16 is how many decimal places? Put it in the chat, guys. How many decimal places do we have with 0.16? Anyone? 2. Thank you. And how many decimal places do we have with 0.4? 1. So you add 2 plus 1, which is 3, and that tells you that you have 3 decimal places.
Well
so that's
done,
why
my
we have a
babes.
0 in front of the 0, 6, 4. Do we all understand? I hope you guys sort of got what I was saying, and you can sort of do it if they say no calculators, okay? There we go. Thank you, Theo. I hope you guys like my explanations. I think they're really helpful. Okay, Yeleda, I'm going to let you guess the next one. What do you think?
Tree.
Tree. Christmas tree. Let's see. Nope. Terrible at this, just like me. Okay, let's see. 2 minutes have started. I'm sorry to throw shade. It's a maths thing. I think if you're good at maths, there's some other things that are not so brilliant. But I mean, maths is great, right?
Fair enough. Fair enough. Agree.
I think so. Okay, your 3 minutes have started, guys. Go for it. We have 2 cubed multiplied by 3 squared. Okay, we have an answer, 72. We have 17. Can I have more answers? Is anyone feeling brave enough to unmute? Please, guys, I really want to hear your voices. Come on. More answers in the chat. And someone to unmute, please.
You will have to raise your hand so that, there we go, Sophia. That's a good example.
Oh.
Well done.
Okay, Andre has seen his mistake, which is great. Bridget says 17, Pia says 72, Zosemo says 72. CJ, keep that hand up. Okay, I just want a few more answers so that we see that everyone is, catching up. Everyone is participating. Okay, thank you. Rabetswe, I love this. I love it. Okay, CJ, are you ready? CJ, I get it, Andre. We make that mistake, right? You added instead of multiplying. I get it. It's okay. I forgive you. We forgive you. Okay. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
There we go. Okay, walk us through your calculation. Let's hear.
2 cubed is 8 and 3 squared is 6. So 8 times, sorry ma'am, I was lost. 2 cubed times 3 squared is 72.
Okay, how much? Okay, you said 2 cubed is 8, right? How much is 3 squared, guys? How much is 3 squared? 3 times 3. How much is that? 9. So we have 8 times 9. Thank you very much, CJ. I loved hearing your voice. You just made my evening. That was beautiful. I hope we're going to have more people who will be participating. So far, is everyone keeping up with what we are doing? Are we all feeling good and fresh and into this? How is everyone feeling? I hope we're all feeling wonderful. Hundreds. Yes, says 100s. Bridget says yes, ma'am. Okay, we're moving on. Okay, in the chat, which ones do you think will be next? Let's see who has, who are we giving our money to bet on Lotto for us? Let's see. What do you guys think is going to be next? Is the Christmas tree? Okay, let's just say Santa. Okay. The elf. I didn't even realize there was an elf until you said it, Henry. Thank you very much. That was embarrassing. Present box. Okay. Okay, we have 3 options. Let's see. The reindeer. I'm giving none of you my money to go to Lotto for me. None of you guys. I'll just earn my money. Woo! Okay, 3 minutes have started, guys. What is the HCF of 24 and 36? HCF would be highest common factor. So what would be the highest common factor of 24 and 36? Go for it. We have started our 3 minutes. If you have the answer, you don't have to wait. You can just pop it in the chat, raise your hand, talk to us. Welcome to the people who joined later. I see you guys. We're having fun, I think. Maybe I'm having more fun than anyone else, but I'm having fun, so that's great. We're nice and quiet. I'm thinking this is going well. Okay, HCF for 24 and 36 is 12. Thank you, Andre, for telling us your answer. 12, Wishmore, thank you. Any more answers? There's about 15 of you, so yes. Okay, Andre, we'll discuss that just now. We'll discuss that just now. Theo says 12 as well. You're doing well. Felice, thank you. With the 12. I think there's some consensus here about what the answer is, right?
Yeah, everyone is voting the same number.
Yep. I hope they're not just stealing each other's answers. I see you.
Yeah. No, everyone is calculating for their own answers. My pigs, well done. I like getting there.
I love this. This is great. Okay. We have a couple of seconds left. Can I just get a few more of you guys telling me what you think the answer is? And then can I have someone who's going to discuss it with me, talk to me, even if you're not sure? We'll talk through it. Just raise your hand if you're feeling brave, if you're feeling happy and in a good mood like I am. Okay, we have about 15 seconds left. Thank you, Mpho. Thank you, Zasembo. No one's volunteering. Manuel, thank you. Okay, and that is time. Okay, let's talk about this. They say the highest common factor. It means which factor do 24 and 36 have in common that is the highest, right? They obviously have more than one common factor, but we want the highest one. So obviously you had to list the factors of 24 and the factors of 36 to find out what the highest common factor is. So in the chat, give me the factors of 24, guys. What are the factors of 24? Anyone? You can give me one pair, you can give me one of them. Just don't give me the number one, please. Thank you, Bridget. That is a lot going on, but I'm going to pretend there are commas there. Okay, Bridget says 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, and 24. You left one out, which is 24, Bridget. Thank you. Wishmo says 2, 8, 4. Theo says 3. Manuel says 3. Thank you. Okay, so we have 1, which is multiplied by 24. We have 2, which is multiplied by 12. We have 3, which is multiplied by 8. We have 4, which is multiplied by 6. So that would be our factors of 24. What are the factors of 36? Give me a nice list of factors of 36, guys. Factors of 36. It's here. It's quite a long list, right? You guys can choose any of them and tell me what they are. 6, thank you. 6 times 6 would be 36. 2, 3, 4. Thank you, Manuel. Wishmo says 1, 2, 6. Thank you. Okay, so in total, we have 1 times 36, we have 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. That's a lot of factors, right? Yeah, I hope you guys wrote the whole list down. Okay, so our common factor is, highest common factor, not just common factor, is 12. Thank you, Manuel, and everyone else who said 12 earlier on. Our common factor is 12.
Well
Awesome.
done, my babes.
You guys are doing so well. I love it. I love it, class. I'm gonna immigrate here forever. Move with you guys. When you go to the next grade, I'm moving with. Okay, are we ready for the next one? Let's see.
We are ready.
I'm done guessing because I feel like we're all really bad at this. And I'm just gonna see what's next. Let's see. The reef, of course it is. The angle 181 degrees is a angle. What types of angles do we have? Yo, you all sucked. Snowman, reindeer, present, yo. Wow, guys. Sure. But yeah, 181, what types of angles do we have? Let's just remind each other. We have obtuse, we have reflex, we have, okay, obtuse again. We have acute, thank you. And we have revolution, thank you. So 181 is classified as a what? Reflex angle, thank you, Theo. We have a right angle. Oh, I forgot about that, Ravisa. Thank you so much. Whew. Okay, we have conflicting answers. I see some say obtuse, some say reflex. Tell me, guys, an obtuse angle is an angle between which and which degree? How many degrees? Obtuse angle. Let me know. 90 and 180, right? 181 is just after 180. So it cannot be obtuse, right? It's greater than 180. It has to be a reflex angle. Thank you, Emmanuel. Thank you for everyone who answered. Amahle, do you understand why it's a reflex angle? I hope you all understand. I didn't even give you 3 minutes for this. I thought that was too easy for you guys. Does anyone have any questions? I feel like I'm speaking a lot. I feel like I'm at an auction. Any questions? Remember, guys, you can still stop us if you have questions. If you have no idea what I just said, you don't understand what the answer, why the answer is what it is, just stop us and ask, okay?
Yep, my pibs, y'all know the rules. You can raise your hand and Teacher Kat can explain why is the answer like that if you don't understand. Let's go. We are doing really, really well, my people.
We really are. You guys are doing, I'm impressed. And we have a thunderstorm. So if you see me duck and dive and scream and jump up, just know. Okay, what's next? I'm that person. What do you think is next, guys? I'm gonna go with an elf because the elf is very cute.
The tree, still go with the tree.
Okay.
Bridget is with me.
I feel like you are cheating. You will go with the same thing until that one turns out. I see you. I see you. Theo says the reindeers. Asimo says the gifts. Amahle, I'm with you there with elf. Let's see. The reindeer. Theo. Well done.
Well done, Theo.
Well done. Okay, it says the lowest common multiple of 6 and 9 is. 3 minutes have started. Go for it. If you have an answer, pop it in the chat. Let's discuss it. Whew. Grandma is like, I don't need you 3 minutes. I don't need you 3 minutes. Okay, guys, remember the difference between factors and multiples, right? Think about it carefully. Think of the difference between factors and multiples. Okay, Manuel says 18. We have another 3 from Reabetsu. What do you guys think? Hasn't even been 1 minute and you guys are like boom, 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 boom. Answers every way. Bridget says 18. Disha says 3. Oh my gosh, we have a fight. We have a battle of the numbers. 18. Oh, we have 54. Ooh. New number introduced. Let's see what everyone else thinks. Still have all of 2 minutes to think about this. Just think of what are multiples? What are multiples? Does anyone know what multiples are? I think that's an important place to start. What are multiples? Emmanuel, let's hear it. What are multiples?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Multiples are numbers that go into a number without leaving a remainder.
Those would be factors, isn't it? Think about it.
Factors. It's whenever numbers multiply each other to get the answer, and that answer is a multiple.
Thank you very much. That was beautiful. I hope you all heard that. I hope you all, that was a very important clue. Thank you, Emmanuel, once again. He said it's numbers that you multiply with each other. So that should give you guys a clue. Amahle, oh, I thought Amahle was being fancy and putting that little one up there, like 18, not just 18. 18. But thanks, Amahle. We have another 18. Okay. How long do we have left? 30 seconds left. Dia says 18. Dia has changed. We have a converter. Matthew. Let's hear what Matthew has to say. Hey, Matthew.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, I think the lowest common multiple would be 3.
3. Okay. We are going to discuss this in 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Matthew, let's talk about this, right? Remember, factors are the numbers that go into a number without leaving a remainder, right? Those are factors. Do you agree?
Yeah. Mm.
And multiples are the ones you multiply with each other to get an answer. So what I mean is the factors of, let's say 6. The factors of 6 are 1, because you say 1 times 6, and 2 times 3. So the factors would be 1, 2, 3, 6. Are you with me?
Yes.
The multiples, on the other hand, would be if you say 6 times 1, which is 6, 6 times 2, which is how much?
12.
12, 6 times 3 is 18, and so on and so forth. There is an infinite number of multiples because you can literally say 6 times a billion, right? So now we're looking at those ones. We look at those numbers where you say 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3. Which ones do 6 and 9 have in common? Think about it. If you list the multiples of 6, you're going to say 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. And the multiples of 9 would be 9, 18, 27, 36. Do you have an answer now?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think it is?
It's 18.
Thank you. Do you understand why?
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you very much for talking to me. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you too, ma'am.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, guys, I see you guys in the chat. You're saying 18. I hope you guys understand a little bit better. Those who said 3 at the top, I hope you guys sort of understand why it can't be 3, because that would be factors. Okay, now we're talking about multiples. Okay, moving on. I'm not even gonna ask Teacher Elena because she's gonna say 3 because she's cheating me. That is okay. That is okay. I'm gonna change because I'm loyal, and I'm going to say Santa. Santa's gonna turn around. Thea says snowman. Bridget says tree. Tree. Bridget, are you doing the same thing that Teacher Lena's doing? I see you guys. I see you guys. Andre says present. Okay. Snowman and reindeer. Oh, okay, Bridget, that's fine. Because I know Teacher Lena's cheating us. Okay, ornament. I'm guessing that's what you wanted to say, Amahle. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Santa on a reindeer. Okay, I was sort of right. Not completely, but sort of. Anyway, 3
We love
minutes.
singing, guys.
I do. It's a habit, guys. It's a habit. I can't get it out of my system. That's fine, guys. Let's simplify the ratio 34 to 72. Your 3 minutes have started. Go for it. I think I need water because I've been speaking like, woo. You got it right. Asembo, which one did you get it? What did you get right? Snowman, yes. Okay, but you said snowman. That was Santa. But I understand what you meant. I understand what you meant. I'll give it to you. It's okay. You and I got it partially right. You can agree, né? I hope so. Okay, we're almost a minute in. Ooh, so much suspense is killing me. It's so quiet. Oh my gosh. The suspense is killing me. Let me keep quiet. That's cheating. I'm distracted. We have a minute and 15 seconds left. Anyone? Any clues? No? 2 and 36. Okay, thank you, Manuel. Any more answers? $17 and 36. Okay. We have about 30 seconds left. You're still busy, you still have time. Okay, Zasembo says 17 and 36 as well. Manuel agrees, 17 and 36. I see you. I like that. You thought about it and you're like, perhaps. Okay, we have 10 seconds left, guys. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's look at this, guys. How do we simplify ratios? I think this might be a little bit challenging for some people because I only have such few answers. Okay, of the people who got this right, come explain to us. There we go. Manual.
Ma'am, we find the lowest factor that can go into both numbers and we simplify it. And that's how we got 17 and 36, which is 2.
Thank you very, very much. Okay, so Manuel says we find the common factor, the highest common factor, obviously. So the highest common factor, as in the highest number you can divide both 34 and 72 by, is 6. So you do exactly that. You say 34 divided by 2, which is 17. That's where our 17 comes from. And 72 divided by 2, which is 36. You did not change the ratio, you just simplified it. Okay, so all those people who weren't done, were you on the right track, or do you at least now understand where we get 17 and 36? This is a very important chapter, so I want to make sure that you guys are on par. You're cool with everything. Everyone else? Going once? Are we all fine? Okay. I'm just gonna assume we're all okay because we're all quiet. Does anyone have a question? Maybe there's someone who's like, I still don't get it. This is your time to say, ma'am, I don't get what you just said.
It's your time, my babes, or forever hold your breath. Let's ask questions when you don't understand.
Okay, everyone's quiet, so I'm just gonna assume everyone's okay. All right, my next guess is gonna be back to the elf. Back to the elf.
Tree.
Like, yo, tree. I wasn't even gonna ask you because I knew you were gonna say tree. Theo says Santa. You're definitely cheating. I see you. Dasembo says tree. Bridget says snowman. Okay, let's see. None of us got it right. How sad is that? Okay, 3 minutes. Go. Beautiful, right? Integers, the best. Fabulous chapter. Right? It is sad, Theo. We either have terrible luck or I don't know what it is. I don't know. We're all working hard. I like it when it gets quiet. It gives me anxiety because I'm like, is everyone there? But let me not be creepy. Let me drink my tea. What's that? We have an answer. Okay, let's wait for everyone else. Thank you, Theo. Manual says negative 12 as well. So we have some sort of consensus here. Elaborate says negative 12. Woo! I love it. I love it. Absolutely love it. Would be great if I had my answers for you. Would be fabulous. Let's see. Okay, Luce also says negative 12. We have just about 1 minute left. Come on, guys. There's 17 of you. There should be more answers in the chat. Is anyone feeling brave enough to unmute?
Oh, let's go, my babes. You raise your hand.
Please. I'll stop singing. How's that? Otherwise, I'm just going to keep singing the whole class. Okay, I'm going to take that as everyone wants me to keep singing. See, Linda, I give them a chance to stop the torture. No one
Yeah,
wants to stop the
definitely. They
torture.
want to hear you singing. If they're not answering, so.
Don't want to stop the torture. I can't believe this. Okay, we have about 15 seconds left. Hi, Lufuno. See you. Welcome. Hope you're good. Okay, and that is time. One more request. Anyone want to unmute? Come on, guys. I'll ask you step by step. Emmanuel, okay, come on, guys. There's more people in this class than just Emmanuel. You know, Emmanuel is going to end up taking my job. At this point, anyone besides Emmanuel, don't put your hand down, Emmanuel. I'm just trying to see if anyone is brave enough to say something. He didn't die. I'm really nice, I think. It's okay, Lufuno, welcome. No? So just Emmanuel and I in this class, okay. All right. Woo! Theo. This is great. Finally. Hi, Theo.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you, ma'am?
I'm great now. Okay. So tell me,
you first, ma'am.
how do we solve this one?
So ma'am, I said -5, a minus and a minus equals plus. So I said -5 plus 3 Then I said minus 4 plus minus 6. Then I said minus 5 plus 3, and I got minus 2. I said minus 4 minus 6, then I got minus 10 equals minus 12.
Thank you. Thank you, Theo. Your answer is correct. Thank you very much. I like that fact that you explained that 2 negatives give you a positive.
Oh, thank you.
That was really good. Okay, so guys, what math says we start with brackets. So negative 4 minus 6 is minus 10. And then we're going to have plus minus 10. And as Theo put it so nicely for us, if you have a positive and a negative, you get a negative. And then there by 3, you have negative 5 minus minus 3. 2 negatives give you a positive. So all in all, we have minus 5 plus 3 minus 10. And that is how you get negative 12. Are we all good? So our symbol says, when we get the last reindeer, will it be penguin? Where's the last reindeer? No, they have to be in a row, remember? So let's see which rows are actually close to bingo. Let's see. Okay, this one definitely not, because there's only one that's open. Here we have 2 that have opened. Here we only have 1. We have 2 here. So the ones going across, not really. Actually, our best chance of getting bingo right now is the diagonal, because we have 1, 2, 3. So if we get the elf and the snowman, that would be bingo. Okay, but let's see if that's how it works out. Hopefully, those are the ones that turn around just now. Theo says we're going to get tree or gifts. Bridget says presents. I say Christmas tree. I say, no, I know Elaine is going to say tree. I take it back. Nope. I say Santa. So Samuel says present. Okay, let's see. Oh, presents. Well done, guys.
Oh,
well
wow. Well done, Easy.
Theo is laughing because Theo had 2 options. I see you, Theo. It's fine. Your 3 minutes have started. Bridget, looks like I'm going to be giving you my money to go to the lotto offices for me. Actually, just tell me which numbers to put down. I'll share the winnings with you, okay? Your luck is going the right way. Some of us are shame. Must work forever and ever. Okay, the 3 minutes have started. We're already 30 seconds in. I hope you were not distracted by my talking, which is the point, to distract you. Okay, let's see. Lufuno. Oh, I was going to say Lufuno. I don't see a pen there, but I see it. I was about to lie. I see it. Can I ask, what did we do to the elf? Right! The elves do not want to turn around. That is a big problem. Maybe there's something going on there by the elves. Okay, we have 2 answers, 25 over 18 and 1 and 7 over 8. I'm guessing that's a mixed number. 7 over 18, sorry. We have a 15 over 6. We have a lot of options. More options, please, guys. Theo has raised his hand. Theo's ready. We have a 10 over 18 this time. Theo, just give me a few seconds. Don't put your hand down. Just need a few more people to tell me what they got. See, there's like 15 over 6? Question mark, question mark. I don't know. 15 over 6? Could it be? Maybe. Okay, in 10 seconds, I'm going to let Theo tell us what Theo has done. Okay, that would be time. Theo, welcome back.
So ma'am, it was a mixed fraction, so I changed it. I said 1 times 3 plus 2, then I got 5 over 3 times 5 over 6. Then I got 25 over 18. Then I changed it to a mixed fraction, which I got 1 and 7 over 18.
Beautiful, and you are correct. And thank you very much. Love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, guys, I hope we all heard that. So we start off by changing our mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Okay, for those of you who are still not sure how you do that, you're going to say 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 2 at the top, which is 5 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 6. Before you multiply, you check, can I cross cancel? Does anything go into 3 and 5? No. Anything goes into 5 and 6? No. So you just multiply across. So in the numerator, you have 5 times 5, which is 25. Denominator, you have 6 times 3, which is 18. And Theo changed it to a mixed fraction again so nicely for us. We have 1 and 7 over 18. So basically, you say, how many times does 18 go into 25? Once, and the remainder is 7 over 18. Hope you feel better. Everyone in the chat, tell me if you guys feel better about that question. Do we all feel sort of like we'll be able to answer this question? 100, thank you, Theo. Bridget, thank you. Manuel. Everyone else. Fractions, I know fractions are a nightmare of a topic for a lot of people. So let me know if you guys are feeling all good about this. Okay, then that will make my day. Okay, I think we have time for one more before Yolanda and I have to jump off to a different grade. And Bridget says elf. We all really want the elf to show up, don't we?
Tree.
I would, you know what? Tree, you are the problem. This is why the elf doesn't want to turn around, I think. I'm going to blame you. Santa or snowman, okay? I'm still going to go with elf, hey? Because now I'm worried. Now that you guys showed me that the elf is not cooperating. Now I'm a little bit worried. The symbol says Santa or elf. Okay, let's see. Nope, it's the reindeer. Horrible, terrible, shocking. Anyway, 3 minutes have started. Go. I'm going to start talking to this elf when you guys are gone and ask it what's wrong. What's wrong, elf? Why will you not turn around? Maybe if teacher Yolanda says elf, then that will work.
No, my babes, it's still a tree.
I think if you said elf, the elf will listen. I really think so. Okay, we have an answer. 4 over 5. Theo has his hand up. And I'm going to say again, like I did to Emmanuel, can we please have a different voice? This is the last question of the day. Come on, Zasembo, Amashe, anyone, who else is here? Bridget. See, it's only my 2 people who keep raising their hand. Andile, hi Andile. Come on, guys. Anyone else? I'm gonna have a Hall of Fame for Theo and Emmanuel because they are the only 2 people who are participating with me, guys. I don't bite. Come on, please. When we attend this class game next week, same time, same day, same place. Okay. So you have a week to think about this. And since we haven't gotten bingo, we're just gonna continue with the same board. Okay. Just gonna say, Amasha has raised her hand. Awesome. And you guys had to listen to my singing. I am sorry. I apologize. Sorry, not really sorry, but kind of sorry. Bridget says 13. Wonderful. You, Emmanuel, you're being very nice to me right now. I know it's not. Now I'm actually ran away. See, because you said wonderful voice. She's like, nope. Oh, there we go. Ha. I'm Ashley.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
I think the answer is 4 over 5.
4 over 5. Yes. Tell us how you did it.
Because 2 over 5 divided by 1 over 2 will give us the answer of 4 over 5.
Johnny, Kanjani. Come on. How do we do this, guys? What's the message? If you used your calculator, I'm gonna cry.
Yes, ma'am. My calculator.
Ooh, Ama says, well, I'm gonna keep singing until you guys drop dead. Why? Come on, guys. What is that magic word I'm looking for that we, okay, it's 3 words, three magic words. It's like a phrase, magic phrase. Let's go with that. Thank you, Emmanuel. And what do we call that? What do we call that, guys? Come on. Manuel says we switched 1/2 to 2 KFC. Keep, flip, change, something like that. I think that's what KFC stands for. Sihle, help me here. I don't know it as KFC. But I
Yeah.
think it's keep, flip, and change.
Yes.
Okay, well, I prefer Kentucky Fried Chicken, but we can go with that as well. It's okay. Okay, I was gonna say 2 times, and thank you very much. Okay, that's exactly what I was looking for. So KFC or 2 times. So we're gonna change divide to multiply, and our 1/2 becomes 2/1. Then you just multiply across. So you're gonna say 2 times 2, which will give you 4, and 5 times 1 at the bottom, which is 5. Okay, that would be the end of our lesson. 100, I hate Burger King. I will die if I have to eat it again. I also hate Roko Mamas. I'm starting to think I'm a really picky eater. I can see that now. I can see that. Okay, thank you for coming, guys. Thank you so much for joining us.